Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your display refresh rate or display hertz on your Windows PC. So let's start the video. First of all, right click anywhere in the screen, right click it here and go to the display setting option here, and here scroll down under the display settings, scroll down and you can see the option advanced display setting. Click that option here. And now as you can see, the refresh rate or the hertz on my display is 60 hertz. And if you are using a higher refresh rate display, you can also change it by clicking this one, and you can see if you have the 120 hertz display, you can select the display refresh rate here. But my display is only 60 hertz, so I cannot do that. So in this way you can easily find your refresh rate for your display. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will see you guys in the next video.